explain 5th class maths children. All of you take your textbooks now. All of you take your textbooks. This is your textbook standard 5 course book term 1. Okay. And take out the page number 67 children. Take out the page number 67 nama. Okay. Fourth section. Okay. Fourth section. Subtract and simplify. Subtract and simplify. Simplify wherever necessary. Okay. See, first bit children. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay. 1 by 5. Write down the question once children. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay. Here what is the LCM children? What is the LCM? 5 comma 5. Okay. Same. 5 ones are 5 comma 5 ones are 5. Okay. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 5. Okay. So write on here 5. Okay. 5 in 5 table 5 how many times will go children? 5 లో 5 ఎన్ని సరిపోతుందమ్మా 1 time. Okay. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Here this 1 write down here and put here into mark. Okay. Put here into mark and write down the numerator number 4. Okay. Keep this in bracket and minus. See again 5 in 5 లో 5 ఎన్ని times వెళ్తుందమ్మా how many times? 5 ones are 5. Okay, this 5 write again here and put into mark. Okay, what is the numerator number? 1. Okay, write on here. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1 by 5. What is the answer now? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, write on fast ma. Okay ma. Next children B bit. Next ma. Write first children. Next ma B bit. 8 5 by 9 minus 6 10 by 27. What is this children? This is the mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. 8 5 by 9 minus 6 10 by 27. See children, how we have to do means here put 9 into 8. Okay, here do multiplication. Okay, do multiplication. 9 is how much amount? 9 is 72. 72. Here do addition. Okay, here multiplication, here addition. 9 is a 72. 72 plus 5. 72 plus 5 is equal to 77 by, okay, 9. Minus, here do multiplication children. 27 into 6. 27 into 6. 6 7 ja 42. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 162. Sorry. 27 6 ja 162. Here addition. 162 plus 10. 162 plus 10 is equal to 172. 172 by 27. Okay. Now what you have to do children here? Do LCM. Okay. Do LCM children. 9 and 27. Do LCM. 9 and 27. Okay. In which table we will get children? 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Okay. Next. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next. 3. One keep like this only. 3 1s are 3. Okay. See 3 into 3 into 3. LCM. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. What is the LCM children here? 27. 9. 9 table 27 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా? 9 3s are. Okay. 9 3s are 27. అవునా? This 3. Middle number 3 write down here. Okay. Into numerator numbers 77. Okay. Minus 27. 27 ones are 27. Okay. How many times will go children? 27. One time. Okay. 1 into 172. See children. 77 3 ja. 77 3 ja. 3 7 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21. 22 23. Okay. 77 3 ja how much ma? 231. 231 minus 172 ones are 172 by 27. Okay. Here subtraction. 231 minus 172. Okay. Here 1 is smaller than 2, so take borrow from 3. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Here 2. 2 is smaller than 7, so 12. 8 and 10, 11, 12. 59. Okay. What is more? 59 by 27. Okay. This is the answer children. Write down. Sound check.
Oh. What that?
Okay, ma, next problem children. Next C bit and D bit will change, amma. Okay, next I am going to fifth bit, fifth section. Okay, solve the following problems. Fifth section, ma. First one. Okay. First one, children. 3 bottles contain 3 by 4 liter, 7 by 8 liter and 1 liter of milk in them. What is the total quantity of milk in all the 3 bottles? Okay, 3 bottles lo enta undamma milk anedi 3 by 4 liter, 7 by 8 liter and 1 by 1 liter. ఇవన్నీ ఏం చేయాలి మనం టోటల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, write down my first solution. 3 bottles contain 3 by 4 liter, comma 7 by 8 liter. Okay, and 1 liter of milk. Okay, of milk. First solution ma, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలమ్మా టోటల్ చేయాలి. టోటల్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలమ్మా అడిషన్. ఓకే, see children, 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 plus 1 liter. ఓకే, 1. ఇక్కడ మీకు కింద ఏం డినామినేటర్ లేకపోతే ఏం వేయాలమ్మా 1 అనేది రాయాలి. ఓకే, డూ LCM children. 4, 8, 1. ఓకే, టేక్ ఫ్రమ్ 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా LCM ఎప్పుడైనా. ఓకే, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1. Okay, next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1. Next 2 1s are 2. Okay, here LCM is equal to how much? LCM is equal to how much, amma? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the LCM. Okay, 8 is the LCM. See children, 4 లో 8 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా 4 లో 4 టేబుల్ లో 4 2s are 8. ఓకే, 4 2s are 8. ఈ 2 అనేది write down here into numerator number 3. ఓకే, keep this in bracket plus 8 టేబుల్ లో 8 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 1s are 8. This 1 right here into 7. Okay, next 1 table లో 8 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా 1 8 8. Okay, this 8 write down here into numerator number 1. Okay, keep this in bracket. See, 2 3 just 6 plus 1 7 just 7 plus 8 1 just 8 by 8. Okay, addition చేయండమ్మా 6 plus 7 is equal to how much 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to how much 21. Okay, 21 by 8 is the answer. Okay, write down. Here write down children the total 21 by 8 na, the total quantity of milk, the total quantity of milk in all three bottles or three bottles, all three bottles is equal to how much? Answer 21 by 8. Okay, 21 by 8. Okay children, next one second solution. Write down first. Okay, second one solution children. See Amma, by how much is 5 by 9 greater than 4 11 by 7? 7 5 by 9 అనేది 4 11 by 7 కన్నా ఎంత greater than చూడాలి. Okay, write down children. 7 5 by 9 greater than 4 11 by 27. See children, first write down this 7 5 by 9. ఇక్కడ మనకు greater than కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, minus 4 11 by 27. ఓకే, see అమ్మా 9 7 ja. Here do multiplication children. 9 7 ja 63. Do here multiply into mark. 9 7 ja 63. 63 plus 5 is equal to how much? 68 by 9. Okay, here 24 27 4 ja 4 7 ja 28. 4 2 ja 8 9 10. 24 7 27 4 ja how much amma? 108. Okay, 24 7 ja 108. 108 plus 11 is equal to how much amma? 119 by 27. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు నంబర్స్ ని ఇంటూ చేయాలమ్మా. ఈ వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ని ఈ నంబర్ తోని అడిషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్సిఎం చిల్డ్రన్? 9 27. Okay, do LCM with 3 children. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to how much? 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. What is the LCM amma? 27. 9 table లో 27 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా? 9 3s are 27. Okay, 3 times. Okay, this write down 3 into numerator number 68 here. Okay, put this in bracket. Minus 1 27 to 27 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా? 27 into, okay, 27 1s are 27. Okay, this number right here and numerator number 119. Okay, 3 into 68. Here do in rough children. 68 3 ja 3 8 ja 24. 3 6 ja 18 19 20. What is the answer ma? 3 into 20 68 is equal to 204 minus 1 into 119 అంటే 119 by 27. Okay, 204 minus 119. Okay. Do subtraction, children. Here 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Here 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. What is the answer? 85 by 27. Okay. This is the answer, ma. Write down. Okay, completed, amma. Write fast, children. Okay, amma. Next, third one, ma. Third solution. Okay, children, do this one. Do this one. Okay, first section, find the products of the following. Okay, find the products. Find the products of the following. Okay, first section, no? First question. A bit. 4 by 7 into 6. Okay. Okay. See, amma. Simple, ma. See. 4 6 ja. Do like this, children. 4 6 ja. 24 by 7. Okay. First write down the question here. 4 by 6 into 4 by 6 by 7. 4 by 7 into 6. Here 4 6 ja. 24 by 7. This is the answer. Okay. Next B. 2 by 9 into 9. Okay. 2 by 9 into 9. 9 2s are 18 by 9. Okay. This is the answer, ma. See, children. 9 table of cutting chelsama. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. See, children. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. What is the answer here? 2. Okay. Write down, ma. Okay, children. Next, amma. ఏం చేయాలమ్మా ఈ సిఈడి బిట్స్ అన్ని కూడా హోంవర్క్ చిల్డ్రన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సెకండ్ సెక్షన్. సాల్వ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఫస్ట్ solution. See, Harika can walk 3.5 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the total distance she walks in 5 hours. Okay. హారిక ఏం చేసిందమ్మా 1 hour లో 3.5 kilometers వాక్ చేసింది. అలా 5 hours లో ఎన్ని కిలోమీటర్స్ వాక్ చేసిందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. హారిక కెన్ వాక్ 3.5 kilometers in 1 hour. In 5 hours is equal to ఏం చేయాలమ్మా 3/2 into 5. ఓకే, ఇలా చేయాలి. 3/2 into 5 చేసి ఏమొస్తుంది 2 3 జా 6. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలమ్మా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. 2 3 జా 6, ఇక్కడ 6 ను 1 తోని ప్లస్ చేయాలమ్మా. 2 3 జా 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7/2 into 5. Okay, see 7 5s are 35/2. Okay, 5 kilometers లో ఎంత వాక్ చేస్తుందమ్మా 35/2 kilometers వాక్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, here write down in 5 hours Harika can walk 35/2 kilometers. Okay, write down like this. Write fast, children. Okay, completed. Next one, children. Next one, second one. Second solution. Right, first children. We have no time. Second solution. Okay. If 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 7.5, what is the cost of 15 liters of petrol? Okay, 1 liter ki ఎంత ఉందమ్మా కాస్ట్ 7.5 ఉంటే 15 liters కి ఎంత పెట్రోల్ ఉందో ఎంత కాస్ట్ ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, 1 liter of petrol cost is equal to how much ma? Rupees 7/2. Okay, so cost of 5 liter of petrol is equal to how much? 7 1/2 into 5. Okay, do multiplication here. See children, 7, 1 by 2 into 5. 7 2 7 ja. Here do the multiplication. 2 7 ja 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Okay, 15 by 2 into 5. Okay, into 5. See children, 15 5 ja 75 by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Write on here. Cost of 5 liter of petrol is equal to 75 by 2. Okay, write first. Do fast children. Okay, next third one ma. Write fast. Third solution. Third solution ma. See children. If each packet of milk contains 1 by 4 liter, find the total quantity of milk in such 8 packets. Okay, one milk packet lo entama 1 by 4 liters unte alantivi 8 packets aithe enta cost avutundo cheppali. Okay, write down fast ma. Each packet of milk contain 1 by 4 liter. 1 by 4 liter. Eight packets contain 8 packets contain milk is equal to how much amma? 1 by 4 into 8. Okay, see children, 1 by 4 into 8 means 1 eggs are 8 by 4 ma. Okay, 8 here. See children, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? 2. Okay, such total quantity of milk in 8 such packets is equal to how much? 2. Liters. Okay ma, 2 liters. Write down first. Okay, completed amma. Next problem. Next, do these two. Okay, do these two. Do this. Do these two children. Okay. First section. Find the products of the following. First section lo find the products of the following. A bitama 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay. See children. 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. See 1 ones are 1. Okay. And ఏం చేయాలమ్మా 5 5 into చేసుకోవాలి 1 ones are 1, 5 fours are 20. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, very simple ma. Next, B bit 1 by 9 into 1 by 7. 1 by 9 into 1 by 7. Solution 1 by 9 into 1 by 7 means 1 ones are 1, 9 sevens are 63. Okay, this is the B bit. Okay, అన్ని ఇలానే ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా మీరు చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ జీ బిట్ నేను చెప్తాను. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. ఓకే 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. This is the G bit. Solution ma 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. Okay, here 1. See children, 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. This is the answer. అన్ని ఇలానే ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయండి. రైట్ డౌన్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఫస్ట్. Okay, completed amma. Next children, second section. Problems అన్ని చేయండి అమ్మా స్లోగా. Okay, second section children, multiply the following fractions. Okay, multiply the following fractions. First bit children, A 1 by 5 of 1 by 8. Same alane amma chudandi. Write on the question ones. 1 by 5 of 1 by 8 rasi 1 by 5 e of place lo pettalama into. Okay, into mark pettesi 1 by 8. Okay, 1 ones are 1. Okay children, 1 ones are 1 by 5 8 are 40. This is the answer. Okay, write on. Next B bit also. 1 by 6 of 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 6 of 1 by 8. solution 1 by 6 of 1 by 8. 1 by 6 into mark 1 by 8. Okay. 1 ones are 1. 8 5 6 8 are 48. Okay. This is the answer. Okay children, this is the second section. Do this two second section children, A and B. You have to do C, D, X. Okay. ఇంకా మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా, F వరకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మీరు చేయండి. Okay children, this is your today's class children. I hope that you understand today's class.